In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the mini basket stitch. This is a reversible stitch, and you don't have to make a multiple of any stitch. You can make the chain of the number of you that you want. And just start with a chain. Remember, you can make the chain as large as you need. And then make the first row. You have to make a chain 3 and make 1 double crochet on each chain. This is the very first row of the stitch. One double crochet to the end. Once you are at the end, you have to start with the rows with the mini basket stitch. You have to chain 2, turn. In the first stitch you have to make a half double crochet. You have to start and finish all the rows with half double crochet, and you have to start making double crochet, front and back post double crochet on the following stitches. In the first stitch you have to start with a front post double crochet, pass the crochet hook on the back of the stitch, and then yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. This is a front post double crochet, and on the following stitch you have to make a back post double crochet, pass the crochet from the back to the front part, then make a double crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end. Front post double crochet, and on the following stitch back post double crochet. Repeat the same, front post and back post to the end. Once you are at the end, remember you have to make a half double crochet on the last stitch. On the following row, this is really easy. You only have to see where is the front post and where is the back post. Make the first stitch, remember, chain to 1 half double crochet, and see here the double crochet is on the back, so it is a back post double crochet. You have to make, where you find a back post double crochet, you have to make a front post double crochet. So make a front post double crochet, this is a front post double crochet, so you have to make a back post double crochet. And repeat the same to the end. Front post double crochet when you have a back post double crochet, and back post double crochet when you have a front post double crochet. And this is what you have to repeat to the end. And once you are at the end, you only have to make a half double crochet. This is really easy. You only have to see, remember, chain 2, turn 1 half double crochet. When you find a back post double crochet, you have to make a front post double crochet. And when you find a front post double crochet, you have to make a back post double crochet. And this is what you have to repeat to make the mini basket stitch. Here you can see more rows of the stitch. Once you have several rows, you can see the stitch better, and the last rows that I made, you can see that it's not really the same, but once you make more rows, you can see the stitch better.